We're leaving now for Bonaire. Susan fired up the engine. Captain Susan. And Adrian's catching up on the last bit of internet. And Pierre's dealing with the lines. So it's Sunday, 10 o'clock, and we're leaving for Bonaire, about 450 miles away. The wind is probably a steady 15 out of the east-northeast, and we'll be going downwind. So looking forward to that. So far the monitor's doing a wonderful job. Going along pretty well here. Steady 15 knots. Wing on wing. 420 miles from Bonaire. Oh, glorious running downwind. First time in 8 months. Since going up to 8 knots, 7.8. Higher than that. Hey?
Is it shredded at the bottom?
Oh yeah. So we have the monitor steering the boat. We're about 80 miles from Bonaire. This is our third day, and very grey day. Still haven't caught any fish, so we're going to go with a different color lure because the green's not working. And the wind vane steering, big learning curve. It does wander all over the place. I don't think I've got the line tension completely right. We have a feeding frenzy here, and birds diving, and we saw a whale. We saw the fin, and then we saw it blow. Awesome. Oh, we got something. Oh shit, I'll use it, bro.
Oh, sorry, baby.
Anyway, we caught our tuna. Not sure what type it is. It's not a yellowfin, but made some sushi. Got the rest in the fridge, and we're gonna dry a few pieces and make fish jerky, or otherwise biltong, fish biltong. So it's looking good. Can't wait to tuck into that. So we're cooking up some tuna that we caught tonight with some rice. We were outside waiting for dinner in the lee of Bonaire. We arrived here at 2 in the morning, and because we didn't want to come in and pick up a mooring at night, we've been tacking back and forth. It's now 6:08, and in the next hour we'll head closer to shore and see if we can pick up a mooring. Another successful trip, and pretty uneventful except for bending the whisker pole. We've just arrived in Bonaire, and it's a national park. There's no anchoring. There's 42 mooring balls. We took a cruise from the top to the bottom, and fortunately right at the end for us, a couple on a catamaran said they're leaving in 10 minutes. So we're very lucky, and Adrian said she would leave us if she didn't get ashore after 4 days at sea. There's Mama Bear, and they're the loving couple.